Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can withdraw funds from Etoro. In order to withdraw funds from Etoro, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then to begin with, first thing first, all you have to do is log into your Etoro account. Once logged in the left hand side bar, you'll be able to see multiple options. Scroll down a bit, under it you'll be able to find withdraw funds. So click on withdraw funds. As soon as you do that, right in center a pop-up menu appears. So after that, all you have to do is just check your total balance and all sort of things, and you need to enter the exact amount that you wish to withdraw. So click the submit button located right at the bottom. Next page, you need to select why are you actually withdrawing. So after you've done that, you need to go ahead and select the reason as well. And lastly, you'll need to go through the confirmation. If you're sure about it, then click the close button, and as soon as you do that, you've successfully withdrawn funds from your Etoro account. So in this way, you can withdraw funds from Etoro account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.